guys, the Dewalt just dropped the gift center, the buy one get one free, the hacks, the Black Friday deals, holiday deals, 2023. This one dropped as well. I just did some digging and just found this out. Um, we just later after the Milwaukee one. Uh, so if you guys want the tool selection, jump on it ASAP. Because the best tools always sell out. You guys know that. You got a 20 volt max XR premium, lithium 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour starter kit. You guys know this 6 amp hour battery is one of DeWalt's best batteries. Power stack, it's obviously a little better, but the 6 amp hour is one of the best ones, as of one of the best batteries that they ever made, basically. The strongest and the smallest for its size. Alright, so it is $199. This is the starter kit. It does include a 4 and a 6, like I said, and a standard charger. Just go down here to the free gift with purchase, and obviously it does say gift center, so you guys know that this is the holiday deals. So you got $199. So goes down here to the free gift with purchase. You are able to select from the blower, so definitely recommend this blower. This blower is 450 CFM. Anything you guys buy as a blower, make sure it's above 400 CFM. It's pretty decent at 400 CFM. So $179 for that as valued. You got a brushless 6.5 Sidewinder circular saw. $149. You got a Max XR cordless 4-inch slide switch angle grinder. So I do recommend this one. This thing's a beast. You got a cordless brushless fixed base compact router valued at $199. Obviously, the higher ticketed item is gonna get you the best bang for your buck. So be on the lookout for these $199 items or above. 20 volt Max XR cordless brushless jigsaw valued at $199. You got a Max XR cordless brushless reciprocating saw valued at $149. You got the atomic cordless brushless 1/2 inch variable speed impact wrench. I do have this thing. This thing's a beast. It's a really powerful gun, or mid torque. You get the 850, guys. This is the most compact design that they have. The newer, not the newest, but it is one of the newer tools. You guys know this thing's a beast as well. So this is $149. You got the brushless compact 5/8 SDS, $189. The batteries, guys, you guys are able to hack these batteries. These batteries are pretty good too. However, I do prefer the yellow top 6 amp hour battery as a starter. But if you guys need 60 volt batteries, this is the way to go, guys. Hack them. $199. So those are the ones that are available as of now. I'm pretty sure there's going to be more popping or just dropping. There's 24,618 of these babies available for you guys to hack. The stores don't have as much, as you guys do see, but you guys are able to, buy these online, receive them, and if you guys don't want them, you guys are able to return them at the store. Guys, make sure you guys have a great work week, start of work week. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.